Are you tired of condensate drain leaks coming from your central air conditioning system, ruining your equipment and ruining your home? Or you're a technician who deals with this? Check out Prev-Clog. Give me a few minutes, let me tell you about it. Timer flash 7 times, BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. All right. There it is. We get leaks here all the time. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's see if we can take this filter out. Let's see. Oh, how did I miss that? All right. So is the filter. Hold on. Can you see any light through it? Sure can't. All right, we're gonna bring that outside and try to hose that off. I'm gonna take a look at this coil. She is frozen solid. Not terrible, but she's pretty frozen. Yeah, that's ice.
Just ice like sitting in the season.
Snowflakes. Snowballs. Yeah. Yep. Crazy. All right, so here's the outdoor unit. She's frozen. Let's take a look at the coil. Pretty clean on there, that side. Let's check the other side. Oh yeah. Damn. They're not terrible. Try to pry that. Lift up. If you lift up here and here, if you lift up there and there, you should be able to get it out, pop it out. No? Come on, you're doing it. All right, gotta get the tool bag. You got it, Peter. Keep lifting. There you go. Let's see. You know what? Not terrible. Not terrible. But not good either. So we're gonna get the blower and we'll see if we can find some water out. We're gonna do some annual service on this bad boy. All right, Peter used the Milwaukee M18 compact leaf blower, cleaned out the electrical compartment. Now he is taking the wires off the terminals on the dual capacitor. One observation, guys. Have you ever seen something that looked like this before? What is that? What is that? Yeah. It's a weird looking bug. Huh. Yeah, she's pretty filthy. So when you're removing these wires, you want to be very careful not to touch the low voltage wires on the contactor, especially, well, when there's a call for cooling. There isn't a call for cooling now because we turned the thermostat off and fan to on. That would keep our blower on, but we got this 45.5 dual capacitor. Let's see what she tests out at. 5.1. 40. Yep. So our dual capacitor is no bueno, right? Plus or minus, was it 10%? 5%?
10%, so
let's see.
4.5.
Yep. And does she pass the shake test? Yep, she passed the shake test, but she's no bueno. And the good thing is we just got a brand new shipment of Titan HD dual capacitors and of 45.5s. Awesome. All right, 19.2, testing the 24-volt coil, and that's acceptable. All right, Peter has the replacement dual capacitor in place. We're using the Titan HD, made in the USA. This is the 45.5. I can't get the AMRADs anymore. They're not sold in the New York City, Long Island market. So the Titan HD for the win. All right, I'm just gonna clean up the debris inside here. We'll acid wash our coil with the New Bright by Decal. And look at how it's just, hold on. Bow, bow. All right, well, Peter's been diligently cleaning out the debris from the air conditioning condenser. I've been taking a closer look at our drain. So there's our discharge for our condensate, 3/4 PVC, going into the gutter that's filled with vegetation. And it comes to here and then drips out. Now, for the past 6 years, we've been coming to this customer's location every year to blow out the condensate drain line because it clogs. So we're gonna use the Prev-Clog. Prev-Clog is this rope, right? And it's embedded with silver and copper, and it gets inserted into the drain line, and it's guaranteed not to clog for 20 years. Now that's according to these people over at Prev-Clog, right? It's patented silver and copper technology. This is now going to be the third time installing Prev-Clog into a condensate drain line. The first one we did on a brand new Bosch IDS 2.1 connected heat pump system. We did one on a repair, and now this will be our third install, second repair. And we're going to take some electrician's fish rope. I tied a plastic bag to it. We're gonna put it at the end there. We're gonna suck it out with the Milwaukee Pack Out wet dry vac, and then we'll be able to pull the string in from the indoor unit to outside. Peter, for future reference, when you see the condensers like this is a ream or rude rectangular one. They don't make them this way anymore, but when you see that, you want to take the entire condenser fan motor cover off, because then you'll be able to get, because it's easier, and you're not going to put any strain on the wiring going to the condenser fan motor. Plus, you'll be able to get more of the coil clean. All right, you're almost done?
Yeah.
Good, because we're going to run some Prev-Clog. All right, well, Peter's been cleaning this coil. I've been eyeballing this filter, and look at what you can finally see. You could finally see through this return filter. That's supposed to be, wow, look at that. That's supposed to be washed every 30 days. What do you want to bet it has been washed since last year? Oh man, I love it. There's nothing more satisfying than actually fixing something that's broken. Look at this. I can now see through it. Peter. Big difference, 9-day difference. All right, Peter's using the Decal New Bright, which we love using. We found that the Viper Venom Pack just wasn't cutting it. Just wasn't cutting it. So now look at that clean filter. Wow, it's amazing. I can see clearly now, the rain has come. Even after pre-rinsing, look how dirty that coil was. Gotta love the foaming action of the New Bright. It's awesome. All right, I disconnected my union. Here's a little plastic bag. We're gonna feed it through here. And hopefully Peter will be able to catch this outside. And then we'll be able to pull the Prev-Clog through outside to inside. All right. There's no way this is working. There's no way this is working. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. All right, I figured I'd cut this out, saving me 1, 2 fittings. It wasn't going past here. Once I cut it out, we got the string outside. Let me show you. All right, there's our string. Perfect. Right there. Now, let's tie the Prev-Clog onto it. All right, here we go. There it is. Sweet. There's our Prev-Clog. Perfect. All right, cut the end off there outside. Leave enough so it's hanging into the gutter. Yep. All right. There's the string up inside the air handler. Let's put this back quick. Tighten up our union. Good. I added another coupling there, so now you know the system, how old it is based on how many couplings you see. So the string, I'm just gonna put it right in there, right inside there. You can also tie it down here with a zip tie so it doesn't get pulled in, but that ain't going anywhere. Perfect. Take a look at our coil. Not terrible, but pretty effing disgusting if you ask me. Okay, now the ice is melted. It's also good to note that this is a piston and not a TXV system. See the piston right in there. There's no TXV, there's no sensing bulb anywhere. Oh, I was wrong. There it is. Wow, I was way wrong. Damn, there's our TXV, and that green means she's R22. There it is, R22. All right, there's the filter. Our ice is all gone. The coil looks pretty clean. I can't say the same about my return blending box, but our coil is clean. Secondary plug right there. And that's gonna wanna go back in there like that somehow. Okay. All right. And this goes back on. All right, so if you're interested in learning more about Prev-Clog, or you're interested in buying it, forget about buying it from Johnstone or your local HVAC supplier. Buy it directly from Mikey Pipes. I'll give you the best prices, absolutely guaranteed. Email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. I got abundance of Prev-Clog available to ship out. You're going to love it. Trust me on it.